1. Acquire. To obtain or buy something, to learn a new skill. 2. Diversify. To add variety, to expand into different areas. 3. Ambiguous. Not clear, having more than one possible meaning. 4. Crucial. Extremely important or necessary. 5. Analyze. To examine something in detail to understand it better. 6. Excel. To be exceptionally good at an activity or subject. 7. Assertive. Having a confident and forceful personality. 8. Apprehensive. Anxious or fearful that something bad might happen. 9. Lucrative. Producing a great deal of profit or money. 10. Feasible. Possible to do easily or conveniently.